Hi, today we are going to see body balancing asanas. Body balancing asanas are very good for our body to strengthen and lengthen our muscles. It will help to find the right balance of your body and it will improve your physical and mental health also. So let's start with it. The first asana is tree pose, which is called as Vrikshasana also. So for Vrikshasana, you have to stand in center of the mat, keep your legs totally joined, keep your spine straight. Take a deep inhale, exhale fully. Now lift your right leg, keep it on your left inner thigh, place it properly, stable your body and then slowly release your hands upward. Keep breathing in this pose and try to balance it for at least 30 seconds in start. Gradually you can increase this pose to 2 to 3 minutes. While releasing, slowly release your hands first and then release your leg down. You can perform with the other leg also. So for that, lift your left leg, keep it on right inner thigh, raise your both hands up again, keep breathing and again hold this pose for at least 30 seconds and improve till 2 to 3 minutes. Slowly release your hands and release your leg down. Second asana is T pose. So this is a T-like pose. You have to hold this. So for this pose, stand in center of the mat. Take a deep inhale. Exhale it fully. Very slowly extend your right leg and extend your hands forward. Create a T pose in your body. Try to balance on your one leg. Keep your upper and lower body parallel to the floor. Hold this for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute and then slowly release it. Perform with the other leg also. So for that, extend your left leg, extend your hands, again make T pose and slowly release this. This is a very good asana to improve your body posture and improve the balance in your body. The third asana is extended hand to big toe asana. So fold your right leg, try to hold your big toe with right hand, extend your leg fully. Now fix your gaze and focus on one point so you can balance it more perfectly. Keep your core tight and breathe slowly. Then slowly fold your leg and release that. Now fold your left leg, hold your big toe with your left hand, extend your leg and try to balance with this asana also. Hold it for 15 to 20 seconds and very slowly release it. This will improve your body flexibility and balancing in your body. Fourth asana is Natarajasana, which is called as dancing pose also. This is a very good pose to improve your concentration levels. So let's start with Natarajasana. For that, first stand in center of the mat. Again, fix your gaze and focus on one point to improve the balance. Now fold your right leg, hold your toe with the hand, slowly extend your left hand and try to pull your leg upward as much as possible. Keep breathing and focus on one point. Hold this pose for at least 25 to 30 seconds. Slowly release the leg. You can perform this with other leg also. So fold your other leg, hold with hand, extend your hand and pull your leg upward. Again, hold this pose for at least 25 to 30 seconds. Slowly release your leg and keep it down. Fifth asana in body balancing is Kronchasana. So for that, you have to sit on floor. Keep your both legs folded in butterfly pose. Now hold your right big toe with right hand and left big toe with left hand. Deep inhale, exhale and extend your right leg as much as possible and try to pull it towards you. Find the right balance and hold in this pose. Very slowly release your leg down and again get back in butterfly pose. Now we'll extend our left leg. So slowly extend your left leg and pull it towards you. Hold this pose again for at least 20 to 25 seconds and very slowly again get back in butterfly pose. These balancing asanas are very good to find the right balance of your body, but keep in mind, if you have any leg injury, then avoid trying this, and if you are beginner, then try to improve your holding timings with the time. So keep practicing it. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy.